Hello and welcome to IGT and Tech College. I am Mr. Seth as usual. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to solve no service problem for Itel 2160, even those similar phones. So if it's your first time to reach on this channel, make sure you click on subscribe button and notification bell so you will be notified when new video uploaded. So watch video step by step, don't skip any step. As you see here, our phone is showing no service. So when you look at back, we have housing issues. This housing don't have network antenna. This network antenna is corrupted, so you don't need another network antenna, even you don't need another housing. Instead, we're gonna do jumping solutions. Open phone careful. As I told you before, everything you have to do it careful so that you may not harm needed items or display. Remember to remove SIM card before any process. Remove SIM card. Open here careful. Don't break screen or display. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and notification bell. You can also visit our website www.igttechcollege.com. As you see here, no network antenna, so we're gonna use two wires to jump. That's jumping. Let me get wire. This is soldering gun. This is soldering wire. So what you need to know is to understand network point. Network point, we have GCM and ground. So we have to soldering here on GCM and here on GND ground. That's ground. This is the latest solution for network issues. If you want to increase network for small phones like this one, you're gonna use this method also. First wire is for GCM and second wire is for ground, GND. Ground. You see? Yes. Watch video till the end. I will be showing you where to put that wires. As we are still working, remember to download IGT Network. That is powerful app. This app is for network issues only. If you want to solve high data consumption issues, go on Play Store and download that application. If you want to monitor your data traffic, your everything, hotspot, Wi-Fi, router, login page, just go on Play Store, search for IGT Network and download. Enjoy network management. So these two wires, you must do it careful. So here, so let us increase the video speed so that we may do it quickly. As you see, that's how. Just you're gonna use soldering gun. See, everything must be look very well with hygiene. Cut wire here. That is it. So we're gonna test and see a result. As I told you before, this is latest method to solve network problems. This increases networks. So let's open, turn on phone and check for result. As you see, wait a little bit, is still searching for network. Let me check if setting is okay. Setting is okay. Setting is okay. So wait. You see, let us check balance. Wow, it's working. As you see, network is full. It's working. Network is full. You can check balance, you can call, you can everything. You can check mobile money. You see, these best solutions for network issues. Let me believe that you got a result. Remember to click on subscribe button. You can even join our channel membership for more private video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this to your friends. Thank you. See you next. Bye.